Number 1. 1983 Chevrolet C10 short bed, $9,500, Sequim, Washington. This 1983 Chevrolet C10 Silverado short bed is a solid budget classic with a 305 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It has a clean title and has long been stored under a carport, helping preserve its structure. The truck runs and drives well, uses a push-button start, and wears American Racing Outlaw wheels, 15x10 rear and 15x8 front, with extra stock wheels included. The odometer has rolled over and the paint will need attention, but it remains a dependable square body ready to enjoy or refresh. Number 2. 1985 Ford F-250 IDI Diesel Single Cab Utility Bed, $4,500, Escondido, California. This 1985 Ford F-250 uses the durable International Harvester 6.9-liter diesel V8 with an automatic transmission, known for longevity and strong torque. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck presents well with a clean title, clean interior, new windshield, new batteries, new brakes, and new tires. The 8-foot utility bed features multiple locking toolboxes. With dual fuel tanks, a trailer hitch, stereo, and California smog exemption, it is a practical, heavy-duty classic for work or ranch use. Number 3. 1976 Toyota pickup, $6,500, Capitola, California. This 1976 Toyota pickup is an unmodified, numbers-matching Survivor powered by the reliable 20R engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. It starts easily, shows no smoke, and shifts smoothly. The odometer has likely rolled, but it has served as a dependable daily driver for the past 5 years. With strong brakes, straight driving manners, and excellent patina, it reflects the durable engineering that defined Toyota pickups of the 1970s. Number 4. 1950 Ford F1 truck, $9,500, Lemon Grove, California. This barn-find 1950 Ford F1 runs a strong 223 cubic inch inline-six with a 3-speed manual and now operates on a 12-volt electrical system. It has received mechanical updates, but still needs minor hookups and finishing touches. With vintage simplicity and originality intact, it is an ideal candidate for a preservation-style driver or light restoration. Number 5. 1952 Chevrolet pickup, $29,000, Chico, California. This 1952 Chevrolet short bed is an older restoration in excellent condition, powered by a rebuilt 235 cubic inch inline-six and 4-speed manual. The body is clean, straight, and uncut, which collectors value. With the odometer rolled over and about 9,400 miles since restoration, it runs great and presents beautifully in its bright yellow finish. It is a turnkey classic suited for shows or weekend cruising. Number 6. 1965 Chevrolet C20, $15,000. Napa, California. This 1965 Chevrolet C20 is a well-sorted daily driver, powered by a strong 6.2-liter V8 with a 700 R4 automatic transmission and Holley 750 carburetor. With 82,000 miles, front disc brakes, and numerous recent upgrades, including new starter, battery, insulation, carpet, gas tank, electric fan, aluminum radiator, carburetor work, and tilt column, it is mechanically strong. A custom IPE wood bed adds durability and style. Paint will eventually need refreshing, but it is ready for steady use. Number 7. 1955 Ford F100, $2,600, Pahrump, Nevada. This 1955 Ford F100 features a 351 Cleveland V8, C6 automatic, 9-inch rear end, and Ford Galaxy front suspension. Modern amenities include power steering, power windows, front and rear disc brakes, and rear airbags. With a clean title, excellent condition, and bright orange finish, it blends classic 1950s styling with comfortable, modernized performance. Number 8. 1956 Chevrolet Truck, $27,000. Morgan Hill, California. Family owned since 2000. This 1956 Chevrolet received a 2015 restoration and now uses a small block 350 with a B&M Turbo 350 automatic. Finished in Infinity gunmetal metallic, it retains much of its original suspension and manual steering. It runs strong and starts reliably, though it has paint flaws, body imperfections, and some gauge wiring issues. With a clean title and dependable performance, it is a solid driver-quality mid-50s Chevy. Number 9. 1967 Chevrolet C10, $26,995, Worthing, South Dakota. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 is a performance-minded build with a mildly built 350 V8 using upgraded cam, lifters, springs, and rockers. Paired with an automatic transmission, headers, Holley carburetor, and Edelbrock intake, it delivers strong street performance. Features include 4-wheel disc brakes, long tube exhaust, American racing wheels, Nitto tires, Dynamat insulation, Cadillac power seats, and a wooden bed floor. Clean, well-finished, and enjoyable to drive. Number 10. 1986 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale Long Bed, $26,500, Palestine, Texas. This 1986 Chevrolet C10 runs a rebuilt 454 big block supported by an MSD 6AL ignition box. new headers, and a full 3-inch exhaust. A Holley Sniper 2.0 electronic fuel injection system modernizes fuel delivery. The rebuilt 700R4 transmission features a new 3200 stall converter. Updated paint, new air conditioning system, electric fans, LED lighting, Bluetooth audio, and nearly new wheels and tires enhance comfort and reliability. In excellent condition with a clean title, it is a powerful, well-sorted square body. Number 11. 1992 Ford F-150, $500, Delta, Colorado. This 1992 Ford F-150 is a project-grade 4-wheel drive truck with a 6-cylinder engine leaking coolant into cylinder 6, likely a failed head gasket. It has not run in years and will require substantial mechanical work. With a manual transmission and clean title, it is suitable as a parts donor or a full restoration base. Number 12. 1951 Jeep Willys, mounted on 2-3MC Yukon chassis, $27,000, Nogales, Arizona. This 1951 Jeep Willys pairs a vintage body with modern capability on a 2003 GMC Yukon chassis and a 5.3-liter V8 with 4-wheel drive. It includes a digital tablet, winch, Rubicon wheels with spare, and fresh upholstery. Offering far better performance and comfort than an original Willys, it maintains iconic styling while delivering modern reliability. Number 13. 1972 Ford F-250 Explorer Camper Special, $14,000, Nampa, Idaho. This 1972 Ford F-250 Explorer Camper Special is well preserved with only 67,000 miles and no rust. Its 360 cubic inch V8 is paired with power steering, a clean title, fully functional lighting, and a new exhaust. Upgrades include an Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor, new wheels and tires, Edelbrock air cleaner, and a new stereo. Recently repainted, polished, and ceramic coated, it looks excellent and drives equally well.